How to make a bird's nesting box. A bird's nesting box, or a birdhouse, provides birds shelter and a place to build their nest and lay eggs. If you'd like to attract more birds or give the birds in your front yard a place to live, consider building this basic birdhouse. Things you will need: carpenter's square, pencil, saw, plywood board, ruler, drill, waterproof glue, galvanized nails, hammer, wood screws, 6.5 by 1/4 inch wooden dowel, sandpaper. How to make a bird's nesting box. Use a carpenter's square and a pencil to mark off the follow size pieces of wood from a plywood board. Front and back 8 5/8 by 6.5 inches. Side 6.5 by 5 inches. Floor 6.5 by 6 1/4 inches. 2 rails 5.5 by 1/2 inches. Roof number 1 6.5 by 9 1/4 inches. Roof number 2 6 by 9 1/4 inches. Cut out the pieces. Measure the center of the top of the front and back pieces, and also make a mark 5 1/4 inches up each side. Use a ruler to connect those marks to the center, and cut the pieces so that the tops form a point. Drill a hole 1.5 inches in diameter in the front of the birdhouse, and a 1/4 inch hole an inch or two below it to insert the wooden perch. Take the 2 rails you cut and mark the center of them with a pencil. Find the center of the inside front and back pieces and mark it as well. Line up 1 rail with each piece, aligning the center marks. Attach the rails with waterproof glue, and add galvanized nails for strength. Allow the glue to dry. Attach the sides of the birdhouse between the front and back, making sure they're even and can set flat. Use waterproof glue and galvanizing nails to attach the sides as well. Use glue and nails to attach roof piece number 2 on one side of the roof, making sure it stops at the top edge of the birdhouse. Attach roof piece number 1 so that it covers the top of roof piece number 2 and they fit together snugly. Use wood screws to attach the bottom of the birdhouse, and insert a 6.5 by 1/4 inch wooden dowel into the hole you drilled for the perch. Sand and decorate your birdhouse.